Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDNTV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Goodwill messages continue to pour in for Pastor David Ibiyeomie, world-renowned televangelist who was born and bred in the Niger Delta as he turns 60. In this report, our correspondent takes a look at the impactful leadership qualities of the man who pastors Salvation Ministries, one of the fastest-growing churches in the world.
Pastor David Ibiyeomie, a native of Bolo Town in Ogubolo local government area of Rivers State, was born on the 21st of October 1962. He attended Banham Memorial Primary School and Government Comprehensive Secondary School, Borikiri, both in Port Harcourt. In 1980, he was admitted into the Rivers State University of Science and Technology, now Rivers State University, to study microbiology. On successful completion of his degree program, Pastor Ibiyeomie worked for many years and became a socialite in the city of Port Harcourt. His life witnessed a turnaround in 1995 when he accepted a divine call to preach the gospel. In fulfillment of his destiny, he went to Bishop David Oyedepo, General Overseer of Living Faith Church Worldwide, aka Winners Chapel, to get spiritual guidance. In April 1997, he started Salvation Ministries in Port Harcourt with a divine mandate to establish the kingdom of God on earth. Over the years, Salvation Ministries, the home of success, has grown in leaps and bounds to become not only the biggest church in the Niger Delta, but one of the fastest growing churches in the world. In the last 25 years, Pastor Ibiyeomie, a renowned preacher of the gospel and mentor to millions across the globe, has dedicated his life to the service of God and humanity, providing Christians all over the world with divine secrets to overcome daily challenges of life. Pastor Ibiyeomie believes that serving God in prosperity and good health helps Christians to build their faith, and so he has over the years engaged in many philanthropic activities, reaching out to indigent pupils and students, victims of natural disaster and the elderly. At Salvation Ministries, the servant of God is raising a generation of leaders, most of whom are accomplished professionals, business people and captains of industry. He believes that God-fearing people should avail themselves in public service and make Nigeria a better place for all. On one occasion, he enjoined Nigerians to vote for credible politicians regardless of their political parties, tribe and religion.
Don't vote party again in Nigeria. Vote people with vision. All the parties have disappointed us. Now what we need is not party, not religion, not tribe. What we need is a visionary to bring Nigeria out of the woods. No politician should be voted. Vote a statesman. A statesman think of the next generation. A politician think of 2023. Anybody think of 2023 is a politician. He will win, he will destroy you. Anybody coming out should think of what will happen to the generation after me. That is the kind of person you should vote.
In spite of his busy schedule, Pastor Ibiyeomie finds time to bond with his lovely wife, Peace Ibiyeomie, and their son, David Ibiyeomie Jr. On the occasion of his 60th birthday, millions around the world have rolled out the drums in celebration of his remarkable impact on their lives in the last 25 years.
Inside the Niger Delta,